Welcome to the FERODO installation video series, brought to you in collaboration with Garage Gurus. Today Damien is going to replace the front brake discs of a Golf 7 GTE TSI 1.4. We will fit the DDF 1895C FERODO coated brake discs. Ensure that you have the correct tools to reach and replace the brake discs without creating damage. We will use brake hub cleaning brush to remove dirt accumulated on the wheel hub, brake grease to help reduce vibration, noise, pad dragging, and uneven contact, bungee cord to hang the caliper and avoid damaging it during the operation, brush to clean the saddle, caliper piston retractor device to retract the caliper piston without damaging it, brake bleeding set with one-way valve to collect braking fluid, torque wrench and heavy-duty socket to remove the wheel and avoid damaging the wheel nuts, a couple of wrenches, FERODO brake fluid. We might need to refill after we have retracted the caliper piston. Remove the wheel. Please use the heavy-duty socket coupled with a torque wrench in order not to damage wheel nuts. To remove the caliper, loosen the brake caliper bolts using the wrenches. Disconnect the brake pad wear indicator and secure it away for safety. Install the bungee cord to hold the brake caliper. It avoids damaging the oil feed to the caliper. Remove the brake caliper and hang it on the bungee cord. Now you can reach and remove the used brake pad. To remove the brake disc, we will block the brake disc from spinning. Put a small piece of metal or hard plastic into the brake disc venting slot. This helps loosen the brake disc tightening bolt. Loosen the tightening bolt. Remove the small piece of metal from the venting slots. Remove the brake saddle. Use the wrenches to unscrew the bolts. Remove the brake disc. Check a brake disc trouble tracer chart for the most common symptoms and their possible causes. Use a brake hub cleaning brush to clean the wheel hub from dirt and corrosion. This ensures an even contact between the disc and the hub. Apply brake grease on the hub rim to prevent corrosion and ease the fitting operation. Loosely reinstall the brake saddle. Clean the brake saddle from dirt and corrosion using the brush. Remove the brake saddle sliders. Check that the sliders are sliding freely. If they're not moving freely, clean them and apply a light amount of lubricant. Remove the brake saddle. Put the new brake disc back in place. Secure the disc with a tightening bolt. Install the saddle and firmly tighten the bolts. Apply a very small amount of dedicated brake grease on the points where the brake pads slide onto the saddle. This helps reduce vibration, noise, pad dragging, and uneven contact. Please be careful to avoid spilling grease directly on the disc. Apply grease on the back of the brake pads. Place the new brake pads into the saddle. Open the bleeding screw. Connect the bleeding set rubber hose to the bleeding nipple of the brake caliper. Use the caliper piston retractor device to retract the brake caliper piston. Using this device prevents damaging the hydraulic cylinder. Collect the brake fluid in the bleeding set collector. Close the bleeding nipple. Carefully remove the bleeding set. Pay attention not to spill the brake fluid as it is a corrosive liquid. Fit the brake caliper back on the saddle. Put the bolts back in place. reconnect the brake pad wear indicator. Secure the wear indicator cable in its original position. Tighten the bolts with the wrenches. Wipe dirt and oil stains off the brake disc. Install the wheel using the torque wrench and the heavy-duty socket. Repeat for the other front wheel. When both front brake discs are changed, top off the brake fluid to reach the correct level if necessary. Pump up your brakes by pushing several times on the brake pedal, while your engine is still off. Stop when the pedal feels firm. Start the engine and test your brakes. Be careful when performing the test. Your installation is now complete. You can find the correct brake discs as well as other parts for your car using our Find My Parts page on www.ferodo.com. In this video description, you can find links to our Trouble Tracer chart, Find My Parts tool, as well as our FERODO website and Garage Gurus, our training and technical support program. Don't hesitate to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and be notified when we post new content.